Okay, so today we're going to build a homemade anvil, but not an actual anvil. We're going to use scraps of metal I've found and some other items you can find around your property. Okay, so what you really need is 3 to 4 big cinder blocks. I found some scrap wood from a flooring project, and then this piece of steel that I found on the side of the road. It was for free, so I took it and I decided I could make an anvil out of it. What you need is a flat surface for where you're going to hit your molten steel on. You're also going to need some dirt. What you're going to do with the dirt is basically you're going to stick it down in the hole, and you're going to put one of the wood blocks at the bottom, and it's going to act as a cushioning surface for when you're hitting the steel plate. Alright, now we're going to take these pieces of wood, I'm going to stick them in there. We're going to push the dirt down so it gets more compact. Okay, now we're going to take the other two pieces. I'm just going to stick them in there like this for extra support. Nice and tight. There you go. Now this is firmly against there. I don't think it's going to move anytime soon. Okay, thanks for watching. That's the completed anvil. I eventually might get a real anvil, but for now I'm just entering the craft, so wanted to build something that was relatively cheap, and that's a good method. Also, we're going to have a forge building episode up soon. I'm just gathering the current materials. It's also going to be similar. It's mostly things around the property, and it's going to be relatively simple to build. So.